This is spicy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be trying out some foods that I haven't tried, but I've seen at the grocery store, of course, in the international food section. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you the foods that I'm going to be trying out today, and I do apologize if I don't know how to pronounce them. The first one is this Samyang Bulldog Artificial Spicy Chicken Flavor Ramen Cup Stir-Fried Ramen, and it's like this. The next one is this Samyang since 1963 Samyang Ramen, and it looks like this. And then this is the back. So this is the same brand. I didn't even realize that until now. It's the same brand. I also got this Pokey Almond Crush chocolate cream covered biscuit sticks, artificially flavored, made with real almonds, and it has 2 packs. So I saw these at the store and it reminded me of the Ferrero Rocher. And last but not least, we have these little cute, it's called Lote Koalas March artificially flavored chocolate cream filled cookies. And it's this cute little pandas. Look at that. These are, I think they're filled. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and try them out. So this looks like this. It has this inside. I think it's a soup base. Smells good. And this one has like a little dotted line here. I don't know for what. And then it has this. And then I accidentally went like that. But it seems, you see? I don't know if I'm supposed to open it like that for something. Or to vent it out. Pour the water. But then it has packages in there or something. Apologies if I don't know how to do this, guys. It's my first time trying this. So these are flakes. This is chile. Yeah, this is a sauce. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this Pocky Sticks. Packets in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. These look good. Share happiness, Pocky. I don't know what it says there. Oh! Guys, it has it on the little like picture. They smell good. Theirs tastes like the Ferrero Rocher or Ferrero Rocher. Now the pandas! Who is this koala? You can see identity on the bottom of box and use it as a message card. File away somewhere nice. Go to bottom of box. Is this like a little mystery thing? Before you eat them? Wait, where? Yeah! What is this? Feel free like a bird, pilot, koala. Message. Huh? I thought they were gonna have like little designs. They do! These are extremely good. Now my mouth is watering for these. The ramen. I am gonna start off with this Samyang ramen. Can you guys see that? That smells so good. It's a little spicy, but they're really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the Bulldog. Smells super spicy, looks super red. This one is super spicy for me. My mouth is like burning. The ramen are really good. The Bulldog one, super spicy for me. Like my tongue is burning. I feel my lips kind of burning. But it's still good. So I do recommend everything. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.